Save yourself from being exposed to cancer. Cancer is a complex disease with multiple factors contributing to its development. Some of the major causes and risk factors of cancer include 1. Tobacco use. Smoking and other forms of tobacco use are among the leading causes of many types of cancer, including lung, mouth, throat, and bladder cancer. 2. Diet and nutrition. Poor dietary choices, such as diets high in processed foods, red and processed meats, and low in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, are associated with an increased risk of certain cancers. 3. Obesity. Excess body weight and obesity have been linked to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast, colon, and kidney cancer. 4. Physical inactivity. Lack of regular physical activity is associated with a higher risk of various cancers. 5. Excessive alcohol consumption. Heavy alcohol consumption is a risk factor for cancers of the mouth, throat, esophagus, liver, colon, and breast. 6. Ultraviolet UV radiation. Prolonged exposure to UV radiation from the sun or tanning beds increases the risk of skin cancer, including melanoma. 7. Infections. Certain infections, such as human papillomavirus, HPV, hepatitis B and C, and Helicobacter pylori, linked to stomach cancer, can increase the risk of specific cancers. 8. Environmental and occupational exposures. Exposure to carcinogenic substances like asbestos, benzene, formaldehyde, and certain chemicals can increase cancer risk, particularly among those who work in industries with such exposures. 9. Genetics. A family history of certain types of cancer, as well as inherited gene mutations, example, BRCA1 and BRCA2 mutations, can increase the risk of developing cancer. 10. Hormones. Long-term use of hormone replacement therapy, HRT, and oral contraceptives can be associated with an increased risk of certain cancers. 11. Radiation exposure. High doses of ionizing radiation, such as from medical imaging tests or radiation therapy for other conditions, can increase the risk of developing cancer. 12. Chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the body can contribute to DNA damage and increase the risk of cancer. Conditions like inflammatory bowel disease are associated with an increased risk of colorectal cancer. It's important to note that many cancers result from a combination of these factors, and not everyone exposed to these risk factors will develop cancer. Additionally, advances in medical science have led to greater understanding and targeted treatments for different types of cancer, which can improve outcomes for those affected by the disease. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and drop comment below, and also don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification button to get notified when we upload another video like this.